Hi everybody, welcome to Rayan Tech Zone. Today we are back with another quick review of Moto 360 first generation. It's an old model, around I think it's 2014 model, but it's really a very nice watch. It has almost 360 degrees of bezel, but it has little small bezel at the bottom. Some people don't like it. The bezel is at the bottom actually. But after some time, your eyes starts ignoring it. But because this design actually needs this bezel because it has the display driver and the light sensor under this, and so they have to make it like that. It is a really very beautiful watch with totally metal frame. Uh, it's IP67 certified with dust and water resistance. But actually, it's an old model. The technology is old, so you have to be careful. Uh, Although it's made of all metal, but it's not very heavy. Only 49 grams, and the display is 1.5 inches circular display with no other sizes, but it has some colors: silver, golden, black, and it has different straps available with different colors. But I will tell you one thing, that this metal strap is really very nice. Why I'm saying this? Because it's very smooth and soft. I use so many watches, but this strap is really very soft and smooth. If you wear in hot weather, or if you are sweating or something, this strap is really very friendly. You don't feel uncomfortable with this metal strap. It has a seamless edge display with the resolution of 320 by 290 and 205 pixels per inches. It has IPS display, and they use OLED. At that time, the software is Android Wear 1.0, but after updated, I think now it has 2.0 with 512 of RAM, 4 GB memory, 11.5 is the thickness, 11.5 millimeter, and actually the battery is not very good, but it's you can say a reasonable battery. Battery is 320 mAh because the screen size is little bit big, so the battery will drain fast. For my watch, actually I always keep all the notifications on, so my battery, you can say, drains more faster. Because of this screen, every single minutes count for the battery. And if you switch on the ambience mode, the battery will go more faster, like on the double speed. Okay, so I will tell you regarding the software. If you go in settings, it will show you that the watch is connected. If you want to disconnect, just click on this, it will be disconnected. If you want to take a screenshot, just press here, click here. If you want to take a screenshot of the watch display, and then these are the watch faces. If you click on more, you will get all these watch faces. There are so many watch faces, and if you click on this, get more watch faces, you will get more watch faces. These are the apps, all the installed apps, and the apps you can get, the free apps, the top grossing, trending, and top paid. And if you click on this, it will show you the apps which are installed. Now we will go down, and these are the agenda: set timer, set an alarm, and more actions are heart rate and the steps and stopwatch and take notes. So you can do everything in this app or in the software. So we will go in the notifications. If you want to silence the phone or the watch, you can do it from here, or If you want to change the setting of notifications, you can do it from here. These are all the apps which are installed, and see, as I told you earlier, all the notifications are on, so all the apps are sending me messages and notifications. So it's up to you. You can click on any app to if you don't want the notifications. So if you go in the advanced setting, this is the ambient screen, always on display, but it will drain your battery. It's up to you. If you want to keep the watch face on, just click on this. And this is the tilt to wake screen. If you just tilt your screen, the watch face will be turned on. These are the card previews, actions, like as I told you earlier, this stopwatch and heart rate and steps. And then this is the watch storage. These are all the apps which are installed, and you can see from here which is the heavier app or watch face. You can just uninstall it if the size is very big, or if it is taking so much space. And this is the watch app data usage. You can check which app is using more data, and if you want to resync the apps, you can do it from here. This is the unpair watch. If you click on this, it will go back to its original factory setting, and the watch will be disconnected. So this is the software, and if I will show you the watch, it's really very nice. And this is do not disturb. If you click it, it will not send you anything. Cinema mode, it will show you a little bit bigger the screen. And then this is the brightness. If you want to click it, if you want more brightness, you can do it from here. And these are the settings. If we go in the setting, it's a little bit slow. As I told you, it will take a little bit time. So adjust brightness. If you want to increase the brightness or decrease the brightness, you can do it from here. Change watch faces, just click on this. If you want to change the watch faces. Font size, if you want bigger font, just do it from here. If you want to have a small font, just do it from here. And these are the gestures, like tilt screen or the wrist, and ambience mode screen. And see, it's on. And this is the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, accessibility, date and time, and screen lock, and the permissions, unpair and with phone, and power off, and about. So these are all settings, and these are the very basic settings. If we talk about the performance of the watch, it's 50-50, because these days the watches are really fast. Even when you are using the touch screen, you don't feel that you are using a smartphone or a smartwatch. But this watch is little slow. Sometimes when you do a couple of things together or on and off, it will lag, or it will just feel like that it's going to stuck. So the performance is not very good. But as per the model, it's 2015, so we can give it a the space. And the chipset is TIO Map 3, and the charging time is very good. It gets charged in less than 1 hour. And if you want to wake up the watch, you can just tilt it or just move this like this. The screen will turn on, and or you can just push this button, so the screen will turn on. And if you want to just close the screen, just do like this. But actually my ambience mode is on, so it will always on display will be there. And the last thing, this is the charging dock, and this is a wireless charging dock. Just you have to put this watch on it, and it will start charging. So I hope you like the video. This information will help you. If you like the video, just press the bell icon, or just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.